see. Hold on, baby. What'd you say? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous watching her. Woo! Go Paige! Okay, guys, watch Paige. Guys, watch Paige. Stop worrying about yourselves. I mean, worrying about each other.
I did not follow you.
Back. Hop up, sweetheart. Come here. Here, go back, Dad, for a minute. She going? You can drag her too if it will take too long.
We can find out after Christmas. And Christmas is good. Come on, can you hold this? I'm gonna about to go.
Nope. Go stand in line.
I am in line.
Wow. Good job, girlfriend. Wow. Oh my gosh. Guys, are you watching her? Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's incredible. Woo!
He says no ticket, no entry, so where am I?
Oh, they already took one of our tickets. Just go stand in line. Hey, Reese, if you throw grass one more time, you're not going to go up there. Wow.
Can I go next?
I don't know, you've been kind of a butt.
I want to go next.
Oh my gosh, that is so high. Wow, just to get a scope. That's how high it is. Whew. Oh my gosh, makes me nervous. Wow. Honey, you watching? Go Paige! Oh my gosh. Oh, it makes me so nervous. Okay, yeah, I'll get you one. Hold on.
I mean, I can't go. When Paige comes down, I can go.
No, I'll get, just hold on. Oh my gosh, she's almost to the top.
Why is she that high?
I don't know. Woo woo! 2 years old, can do anything. Our fearless, crazy girl.
She's 2 and she does that.
Wow. Woo woo woo! Good job, Paige. Woo woo! Good job, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh, that makes me so nervous. Good job, sweetheart.